Holy shit! You got the blind goggles on? Holy fuck! That is fucking
Right on, man.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, man.
So it's cool if we fly here, huh? He just crashed my Garuda. I think he can land in a trove of water. Let's hope not. You find it? I'm gonna arm it. We're packing up. We're packing up, we'll leave. Sorry. Couldn't find it? Okay. Yeah, the battery part just came unplugged.
All the water was still. No ripples anywhere. No disturbance in the algae. And I looked deep into all of them.
How deep was that shit?
Not very deep, like a foot, but it wasn't anything in there.
Okay.
I think it may have fallen in a crack between the wall and got caught right there.
Okay.
On the upper part.
Okay.
So I was trying to climb up there and I heard voices and I peeped down and they were down there and she was like, hey. So then I just came down and then you're like, she's calling the cops.
Alright.
And she was.
She is.
She was giving them the address.
We'll get out of here, we'll go park around the front and we'll just wait for them to leave.
We'll come back in a little bit.
I think we overstayed our welcome. One battery too many.
We broke the rule that I was just describing. The hit it and quit it.
I feel like the response time for something like that in Oakland's gonna be pretty long.
It's gonna be about 3 minutes regardless in the Bay Area. But we're about a minute and a half in, so.
So we got a minute and a half.